Let's talk about writing and reading natural numbers. Today we're going to start off with an example, 6, 1, 3. I find it useful to put the number in a place value chart so that we can look at each number and its value together. Here I put the 6 in the hundreds table, I put the 1 in the tens table, and I put the 3 in the ones table. Let's read it from left to right. First we have 600. And then we're left with another number formed with the 1 and the 3. That's 13. So together we would read this as 613. Let's look at another example, now with 1,000. 1613. I put it in my place value chart and I get 1,613. Let's look at another example. 10340. So this would be 10,340. Let's look at a third example. 47531. In this case, we have 47,531. What happens if we try to do it the other way? So go from words to a number. Let's read this number here, 142,313. So 100, which means that there's a 1 here, followed by 42,313. Let's try this one, 2,037,000. We have a 2 in the millions place, and a 37 all the way in the tens and ones place. We don't have to say or mention the thousands because they're all zeros.